How do QR codes work? QR codes are everywhere today, from menus to advertisements to product packaging. But how exactly do these mysterious black and white squares work? In this video, we'll break down the simple technology behind QR codes and show you how they make data sharing fast and easy. What is a QR code? A QR code, short for the Quick Response Code, is a type of two-dimensional barcode that stores information like URLs, contact details, or text. Unlike traditional barcodes, which hold data in one direction, horizontally, QR codes hold data both horizontally and vertically, which allows them to store significantly more information. How do QR codes work? QR codes work by encoding data in a grid of black and white squares. Each square in the code represents a bit of data, and scanners, like the camera on your smartphone, can read these bits by analyzing the contrast between the black and white areas. The scanner reads the QR code from top to bottom and left to right, then decodes the information into a human-readable format. When you point your phone's camera at a QR code, the scanning software recognizes the pattern and translates it into a URL, text, or other action, such as opening a website or app. Types of information QR codes can store. URLs/web links directs users to a website or a landing page. Text displays a short message or information. Contact information saves phone numbers or contact details to a phone. Wi-Fi details allows users to quickly connect to a Wi-Fi network. App downloads links users directly to an app store page. How are QR codes created? QR codes are generated using QR code generators, which can be found online. Users simply input the data they want to store, a URL, contact info, etc., and the generator produces the unique QR code that corresponds to that information. Why are QR codes popular? QR codes have grown in popularity due to their ability to store large amounts of information in a small, scannable format. They can be scanned from nearly any angle, making them convenient and user-friendly. In recent years, they've become even more relevant with the rise of contactless interactions, especially during the pandemic for menus, event check-ins, and payments. How secure are QR codes? While QR codes themselves are not inherently dangerous, they can be used maliciously if they direct users to fraudulent websites. It's important to be cautious when scanning codes from unfamiliar sources. Conclusion: QR codes are a versatile and powerful tool for quickly sharing information with just the scan of a phone camera. From directing people to websites to connecting them to Wi-Fi, their applications are endless. Now that you know how they work, you'll be able to use and recognize QR codes confidently.